Hey guys, BrickQueen here with a Prince of Persia Disney set. There's the front of your box, and there's the back. It's set number 7572, The Quest Against Time, and it has 506 pieces. It was originally $50 when it came out in 2010. It's a very, very cool set, and it has an awesome light brick feature. But let's go ahead and move in the close-up and look at all the details on it. Alright, first let's check out your figures. Here is Dastan. And his second face. Here's Princess Tamina. I like her hairpiece. It's pretty cool. There's her second face. Here is Nizam. And he's holding the Dagger of Time. Pretty cool looking dagger. There's the back. And this is Zolm. Holding two red snakes. There's his face without the mask. So those are the minifigures. And obviously, here is the set itself. And you can have it together like this, or it also comes apart right in here. And to make it easier to review, I'll go ahead and take it apart. Have the back section there, and then here's the front section. And you've got several traps on here. So I'm gonna move the camera a little bit so it'll be easier to show. And this piece right here doesn't look like anything, but actually when you push this forward, it sets off that trap with the swords like that. So that's pretty cool. And then on this other side, over here, you can see the saw over here. Same thing. You've got this piece here that doesn't look like anything, but it flings the saw towards the middle. So, very cool. Move that out of the way. And you've got this piece here that turns. And you've got a little piece right here you can use to turn that. Look at the saw piece, like that. And there's the side. I don't know why that got pushed up there. That was an accident. And then you've also got this back here. It goes like that. So there's that first section, that front piece. And then we've got this section. And this is the part with the light brick. It's back behind this. And the way you push it is actually putting your... The way they show you is to put the Dagger of Time through there. I really don't like to do that because I don't want to bend the Dagger of Time because, I mean, I know you get 2 of those in this set, but after that, how many of those are you really going to get? I don't want to mess that one up. So I don't actually do that. What I use is just one of these spears, and you just push it in like that. Works the same way. You've got this piece over here. Kind of falls down like that. And this is the bottom portion here. That's supposed to be clipped down. And here's the back. There's that light brick in there. That's the actual one. So that's pretty much the whole set there. Like I said, I do like this set. I really like all the traps at the beginning, and also the light brick feature looks really cool. I like the way it's built into this. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the review, and I hope you'll comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks!